this used to be 6%, right? But you can look at the price of gold today. It's like you could have bought lumps of gold and got 10%. You could have got a 10% compound annual growth rate in the last 25 years, right? At this point, like, beating the TSX, beating the S&P 500 by a pretty large margin at this point, right? Where people don't understand the actual rate of inflation. And so, this is the warning sign, right? Where they're just like, well, what's the tax on that? What if they both, pass away at the same time? It's like, well, A, they are going to pass away at some point, right? And B, like, the goal wasn't to sell the stuff up. The goal was to generate enough income that you're not selling off, that you're living off the investment income of those assets. But most people don't have a hope of doing that because the assets that they're in are so underperforming. Just like the tax advice of whoever sold them this RRSPs, the investments themselves, I'm going to guess that they're just similar to most of the balance funds out there in the big banks, and they're 5 or 6%. 5 or 6%, right? So, you're not actually keeping pace with the real rate of inflation.